Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class for Standard 10. Today we are going to read chapter 2 of the book Footprints Without Feet. It's a beautiful story written by Ruskin Bond. So, who is the author of this story? Ruskin Bond. You have already read some of the stories written by him. For example, The Monkey Trouble, which you have read in class 7. And then you have already read Tutu chapter, which is in class 9. And he has also written the poem Granny's Tree Climbing, which you read in class 8. So, you must be familiar with the writing style of Ruskin Bond. So, his stories are beautiful, and particularly this story reflects the human emotions. And this is about a young boy who makes friends with Anil. Anil trusts him completely, employs him. Does the boy betray his trust? So, what is the meaning of betray? Betray means to dupe somebody or deceive somebody. Deceive. 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 And what's the meaning of trust? Belief. So, let's see this young boy who is the main character of this story and Anil. So, they are the two important characters. So, let's see what the story is about. The thief's story. So, I hope from the chapter itself you have already guessed that this is the story of a thief. And I here refers to this thief who is the narrator here. I was still a thief when I met Anil. So here there are two characters, as I have already told you, I and Anil. So I is the narrator and the thief. So the narrator is the thief, the main, you can say the protagonist of the story. I met Anil and though only 15. So what does it refer here? 15. So it is 15 years old. So this young boy, he was 15 years old. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. So what does it mean? That the boy, the thief, he was an experienced and he had a very fairly successful hand, means he was a very successful thief. He was very successful at his job. So, here the narrator, he was a thief and he met whom? Anil. And how old was he at that time? He was 15 years old and he was a very experienced and successful thief at the age of 15. So, he had gained lot of experience from that very young stage. And what is that successful hand? It refers to the that job of, or you can say that stealing. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. Approached means when he met him or when he went near him. So what was Anil doing? He was watching a wrestling match. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow. So how old was Anil? He was 25 years old. And how was he looking in appearance? He was tall and lean. So, what is the meaning of lean? Lean and thin. So, he was not a very muscular person, rather, he was a thin person. He was tall and thin. And he looked easygoing, kind, and simple. So, you can underline these things. How was Anil looking? He was looking very easygoing person and looking kind and simple. Enough for my purpose. Purpose means he was the target of this thief for that time. So you can write down about Anil. Anil was 25 years old. He was tall, lean, easygoing, kind and simple. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So, the narrator thought that he will be easily he will easily target this person who looked very simple and easygoing, and he was also kind. So he will able to gain the confidence of this man, this young man Anil. So he will easily gain the confidence, and he wanted to make him the target. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. So, the narrator, the thief, he just wanted to be friends with Anil, and wanted to share some feelings, wanted to talk with him so that he will gain his confidence, and then what will happen? So, then he will be able to target him, or he will be able to steal his proper money, he will be able to loot him. Let's see how he used to rob the people. You look a bit of wrestler also. He wanted to flatter this Anil, and said this, and in reply what he got, let's see. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment, because at that time I was rather thin. So Anil, here he refers to Anil. So Anil also told that you also look like a wrestler, and which made me feel ashamed of myself. I stopped for a moment. I was ashamed. I was taken aback, because at that time I was looking very thin. I was not at all looking like a wrestler. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. So modestly means very casually, or you can say very trying to be very humbly he said that yes, you can write down the word meaning humbly. In a humble tone he said, yes, I was doing wrestling. What's your name? Who asked? Anil. Hari Singh. I lied. So what he said, his name is Hari Singh. So we can write down here Hari Singh, the name he told to the person Anil, and he told it right? No, rather he lied it. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. So, from here you can understand why he told his name Hari Singh. It was not his actual name, real name. Rather, he used to change his name every month, so that he will not be caught by the police and the former employers. The person who employed him, the person who kept him as uh, servant or maid, or as helping hand, so they won't be able to catch him. That's why he kept changing his name from this one to the new one, and this time he opted for the name Hari Singh. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. So, what happened after this introduction? That what's the name, and that idol wrestler from this conversation. So, started talking. He was having keen interest. He was fond of wrestling, so he had some knowledge about it. So he talked about these well-oiled wrestlers. So they put oil on their body, and they were grunting, making different sounds. They were lifting each other and throwing each other in that wrestling ring. And this boy, young boy, Hari Singh, he had nothing to say, because he was having no knowledge, or he was ignorant about these things. He just wanted to talk and be friend with Anil. So he started this conversation. So Anil walked away. I followed casually. So after some time, Anil just went away from there, and the narrator followed him casually. Casually means without any purpose, purposeless, purposelessly, or without any purpose. So he just followed him. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. Anil said. So, what happened? Hari Singh went after him, and he again called him, and he said that I want to work for you. So he offered his service to Anil, but Anil said no, he can't pay him. So how could he work for me?